Hey everyone, welcome to our house. My name is Ryan Clelland. Today we're going to be making chicken marsala. Chicken marsala originated in western Sicily in the 19th century by most likely French chefs. The Italian chefs were not sophisticated enough for the English's taste, who were settling during that time period. Brought in the French chefs, and western Sicily is where a lot of the marsala is made, so hence the dish originated from there. We're going to be making a particular recipe that I learned as an executive chef in an authentic Sicilian restaurant in Clelland-Chef, Michigan, and I can only pray and hope that the owners don't see it and come break my kneecaps. But please like, comment, subscribe. I do hope you enjoy it. Give it a try. It's easy. Thank you. Have a good one. So right now we're going to get our mise en place ready. Mise en place is a French term for to put in place for all your ingredients. First, slice the mushrooms. Next, we're going to chiffonade the basil. Chiffonade is a fancy term for shredded. That's all it is. You're going to cube your butter. It's best to keep the butter cold until you're ready to use it. Measure your olive oil, your marsala, and your chicken broth. And you're going to prep the chicken for scallopini by trimming off all the excess fat and any cartilage. Cutting and pounding 2-ounce pieces. You don't have to do the scallopinis. If you just want to use a regular chicken breast, you're certainly able to do that. So next we're going to dredge the chicken in flour. Guys, it's very important to season. Season the flour, season the chicken. It does wonders for the flavor of your dish. If you're doing something like this, you can use definitely salt. I like to use kosher salt. But if you want to use some pepper, you can either do black or white, depending on your dish. It's nice to have the white pepper and keep everything light. So we're going to blanch our haricots. Boiling water you want to start out with, drain them, and then you're going to do what they call shocking. And shocking is ice water. It stops the cooking process of the green beans. We're going to get our pasta cooked. Again, boiling water, salted. It's real important with angel hair pasta to stir frequently. It'll stick on you, and you don't want that. Once the pasta's al dente, usually about 14 minutes, you're going to drain it, and then again, you're going to shock it as well with some ice water. We're going to get the skillet hot for the chicken. Very, very important to get your pan hot and your oil hot before you place the chicken in there. A common mistake with home cooks is the fact of when you're sauteing anything, you have to get the pan hot, and whatever fat you're using, it's very important for it to be hot, ready to go. Once you saute the chicken, you're going to set it aside. You're going to make the sauce in the pan. Saute the mushrooms in the same skillet that you did your chicken. Provides a lot of flavor. Then you're going to deglaze with the Marsala wine. And while that's simmering, you can get your haricot sauteed. Again, hot pan, hot oil, a little salt, a little pepper. Those could be cooking while your chicken marsala dish is being finished. So once the Marsala is reduced some, you're going to season. Add chicken broth, and again, you're going to let it reduce. Reducing is a very integral part in any sauce. Anytime you're making a sauce, if you do a reduction prior to, it's going to make for a really good sauce. So we're going to add the fresh basil now, and we're going to mount it with the cold butter. Mounting it with the cold butter essentially makes the sauce the consistency you want. It makes it a nice thick, rich sauce, and the butter obviously provides lots of flavor. Now for plating, we're going to arrange the angel hair in a nest, put some green beans off to the side of it, and then we're going to place the chicken laying off to the side of the angel hair pasta. Then we'll pour some of the rich Marsala sauce over the top. And there you have it, chicken Marsala. Yep. Always wipe your rims, people. I hate dirty rims.